In cold, wet, or windy weather, clothing forms our first line of defense against hypothermia. The following demonstration shows why cotton clothing kills. First, we fill 4 cans with 125 degrees Fahrenheit water. The first can represents a naked person. The second can represents a person wearing cotton clothing. The third can represents a person wearing wool clothing. And finally, the fourth can represents a person layering their clothes. After all the cans are filled with 125 degrees Fahrenheit water, we get the outsides of the cans wet and we add some wind. Representing a naked person, our uncovered can lost 43 degrees. Incredibly, the can representing a person wearing wet cotton clothing lost 53 degrees, 10 degrees more than our naked person. The can covered in wool clothing lost only 33 degrees. Clearly, wet wool insulates far better than wet cotton. The final can shows the value of adding a windproof, waterproof outer layer. This can only lost 9 degrees. This demonstration clearly showed that a person wearing cotton clothing in a wet, windy, or cold environment significantly increases their chances of becoming hypothermic.